I'm going to show you some time-saving features within docSAFE. There are some useful techniques to speed up the setting up of folders and certain types of files. The first thing I'm going to start with is folders. Along the top of docSAFE you have a folder icon. Now in previous videos, I'll just go back. In previous videos we have talked about how to create a folder for a particular client and subfolder by simply clicking on new folder. Now this is fine if you're happy to do it client by client, but in order to speed up this process we have a function within folders where you can create a default folder set. Now this default folder set on the left here will be applied automatically to every new client that you create. This then saves you setting up the base or foundation folders for any or all new clients. It's important to know as well, if you do set these default folder sets and this is then applied to a client, any particular client thereafter can have those folders changed. So it's very good to start with, and then any client that doesn't fit that profile of folders you can make specific changes to. Further features, if we come back to the main home screen here, in addition to the client list here, you'll have noticed that there are two special sets of folders at the top. The first one is a folder called Shared. Now this is quite useful. It acts as a public folder for all of your clients. Now this is important in that whatever you place within this shared folder can be seen by all clients. So it's useful if you want to put in sort of generic files that you want everybody to see, such as newsletters, blank documents, standing orders, anything like that that would benefit the clients. But it's important to note whatever you put in the shared folder set, every single client will be able to see. It saves you having to put that individual one in every single docSAFE as a separate upload. You'll also notice some special folders here called internal folders. We've placed these within docSAFE so that staff are able to organise files that are purely for their own use. Clients will never see the internal folders or folder sets. These are purely a staff feature, and the way they're used in practice are that staff who are outside the office who need to access particular types of files or documents, these can be placed in here for all staff to access remotely. It acts a bit like a staff library, so that they can access all this sort of stuff wherever they are. So if they're the clients, they need a copy of a particular blank form or to view a particular file, then they can simply log onto the internet, log in as a staff member and access whatever is in the internal folder section.